We will look at the various ways in which the present participle can be used in this lesson. As we saw in the previous lesson, present participles are used in the progressive tense with the auxiliary verb estar. Estoy viajando a España. Estaremos corriendo al parque. But present participles can be used in other ways as well. Several verbs besides estar can be followed by the present participle to express ongoing actions, and these verbs can sometimes take on a different meaning when followed by a present participle. Seguir with the present participle means to continue or keep doing something. Seguimos trabajando cada mañana. Seguí viendo la televisión hasta las 9. Continuar with the present participle also means to continue or keep doing something. Él continuaba bebiendo agua todos los días. Los dos boxeadores continuaron peleando. Quedarse with the present participle means to keep doing or to stay and keep doing something. Me quedé practicando 2 horas en la sala. Te quedas trabajando todo el fin de semana. Andar with the present participle means to go around doing something or be in the process of doing something. Anda corriendo hasta que esté casado. Siempre andaba escribiendo durante la clase. Ir with the present participle means to start or gradually do something. Voy entendiendo mejor el problema. Irás mejorando tu español después de que estudies. Acabar with the present participle means to end up doing something. Acabo perdiendo la oportunidad. Acabaste malgastando tu tiempo. Venir with the present participle means to have been doing something. Vengo solicitando una beca. Vinieron explicándome que no podemos hacerlo. Venía quejándose desde que lo conocí. Llevar with the present participle also means to have been doing something. Llevo mucho tiempo estudiando para la prueba. Llevamos todo el día haciendo tarea. ¿Cuánto tiempo llevabas caminando? So when followed by present participles, llevar requires that time be mentioned, but venir does not. So you do have to make a reference to time when using llevar with the present participle. Present participles can be used as adverbs, but not as nouns or adjectives. So here are a few examples as adverbs. Él malgasta su tiempo fumando. Sudando y tosiendo, él tomo la medicina. And you can also use present participles as part of adverbial phrases. The first example to express by doing something. La empresa mejoró sus finanzas invirtiendo en acero. Ganó dinero trabajando cada día. Now, if you were to use por and an infinitive, this would take on a different meaning, indicating because of or for the sake of doing something. Mejoró sus finanzas por invertir en acero. Trabajo cada día por ganar dinero. You can also use present participles to introduce a phrase. Hablando de tu hermano como está. Sabiendo sus debilidades, gane fácilmente. And you can use them to describe how or when an action is being performed. Lo veo caminando al parque. No oímos ningún de los estudiantes hablando. As stated earlier, you cannot use the present participle as a noun or adjective. To describe verbs that are used as nouns, we use the infinitive form instead. Prefiero estudiar español. Ver es creer. No se permite tirar la comida. Ganar es mejor que perder. If a verb is used as an adjective, again, it cannot be in the present participle. Oftentimes, verbs that are used as adjectives are preceded by de or que. Necesito zapatos de correr. El niño que grita me molesta. The past participle, which we will study in a different lesson, this can be used as an adjective. Tenemos que tirar el pastel quemado. Ordené el pescado ahumado. Abriremos las puertas cerradas. So because it is an adjective, it must be in agreement with gender and number. So that sums up many of the different ways in which the present participle can be used. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.